talking to you and tell me about them. When the police come in, I'm going to tell you something. You know something can't sit?
So hold on, let me ask you.
A line blood clot here, but God help you. You hear me say for stop worrying me?
Yo, let me ask you.
Me say for stop worrying me.
Morning, ma'am.
Good evening. I know where is.
Where you are?
When me have,
Mm-hmm.
just can you tell woman? Just can you tell woman? Just can you tell? Hey, where you can me go? Up on your road?
Yeah.
No, there.
Where you having that baggy there?
I mean, no. Adi, you want to get it? You hungry? Eating about it there? Eating about it there? You want to get it? You think you can hungry? You think you
But me not see where you show me. You not show me nothing. Yeah.
Come on, go up there, so I want to dig out the crab them out of the hole.
You have to go take the crab them out.
A tall girl, yeah? Tall girl, a tall boom boom. Short girl, a short boom boom. Thick girl, a thick boom boom. That means slim girl, a slim boom boom. Black girl, a black boom boom. Brown girl, a brown boom boom. Bleach girl, bleaching boom boom. Dundus girl, dundus boom boom. Bar girl, have a bar boom boom. Girl, the live bar, have a bar boom boom. DJ them a star boom boom. She fun down here, she have a star boom boom. Soldier girl a soldier boom boom. Police girl a police boom boom. Wardress girl wardress boom boom. Fire brigade girl a fire boom boom. Water commissioner girl a water boom boom. Lay a back road she a sell it boom boom. Dirty foot girl a dirty boom boom. Hot clean girl a hot clean boom boom. Girl a run a back lean boom boom. Girl a give me the pussy them have a lean boom boom.
Come to you. Uncle, it is mad so tonight.
Let me beat back down there.
I want to uncle tonight, man. Blood clot. Uncle, what go on?
I think you're going to...
Almighty God. Where boy gone? That's true, man.
From Billy. That him on a little blood clot, man. I bet you make jump in that blood clot.
Jaja. Bombonan. You have cheese in jeans?
You don't know where I'm getting.
You know what I mean? Come back with us, man. Come back with us. Come with us, sir.
I come up and dog about there, you
No,
know. Full line here.
Yeah.
When you're there, I two different dog that so I two different something you are getting you from when you come up straight.
No, listen, man, say, no?
Shout out to the man.
Come on, watch it now. You say, you have cheese in jeans?
You don't know about where you are talking about, man.
Yes, I know, me say.
You won't make me cuss.
No,
You won't
answer
make me
that.
cuss.
Explain to him, then. Explain to him. Explain to him. Explain to him, then. Well, I'll answer that question, no? You have cheese in jeans?
Yeah, money in the pocket, my lord.
Yeah. I say it me, then. Broke down to you,
I
then.
money in my pocket.
Yeah.
I don't know money in my pocket. $1,300, I'm money that $600.
Cheese in jeans, man. That's what you call it, man.
We don't have nothing in a cheese, brother. Nothing in a cheese, we don't try out.
That you have cheese in cheese, man.
No, me not no cheese in.
Right falling on the building, baddest chimneys. So the boss said, look, mad, a good, nice love. Love.
Pussy wall, blood clot playing on bed. Pussy wall, go on and love me, man.
No.
Now lick on the blood clot, why not show us no blood clot. Love me, no pussy.
Love. Love.
Hey, go on and love me, man.
Me and you.
Go on and walk me out and
Me and you a good friend, man. How you make your thing look so?
walk me out, no man.
Oh, cook, yeah, cook. You can't hunger no dirty things. When you cook, white fall. Why for? Why for?
This is how the PNP deal with him.
Yes. You want virgin me and worm. Kiss me in front of your uncle party. And from the day I know myself a socialist me vote for. And I never left on a Jordan win yet. Because Jordan are the first man give me one blood clot also out of socialist. When we go for blood clot, happy to get it. That time then I run a church street. Batty boy Larry walk there, so we dead left his wife without no house and 2 picnic. Tell me say I can't get it because I'm a pa labor right.
And he turn up for you and make sure so
and
get
Jordan turn up for me. And where my diet socialist all when he come from one labor right pussy hole and one labor right cock like myself from in a big well. See, me see Worm as a fisherman and he said him at the
Why you come out
council.
the road, man? You feel like...
Me come out the road.
That's why I want to...
He said him a councillor. And me lose the whole and me put them out the sea. And me look upon him and say, Father, Evelyn, you know, say mother may beg you want to roll a wire. Then what the man turned to me in front of the party and say, well, this a labor right pussy hole they come beg me things for. Me look upon him and say,
That's how I say, seriously?
go
No, me
to
not disbelieve you, me not disbelieve you, but me just say, ask you again.
serious,
So me know.
like that.
Yeah?
And you see, Franny look for me and tell me that. I say, oh,
You're sweet.
I saw no deal with the thing.
No,
Well, I know. Me dey come in a alien and I quarrel to myself and all it see me. And I say,
Quarrel to yourself.
Me quarrel to myself. And all they tap me. I say, what do you knock? And I say, I pussy hole where much part me vote for them all these years.
Who you set up here?
Alright, let me tell you plain.
You're trying to walk around there.
And he said, no worry yourself. Just come up office a morning and make me get and carry your idea, your theory.
And get what I want.
A 2 roll of wire, Alec, make me get so who me fi vote for?
You see, you need to make sure you explain it to you.
And you see the 2 roll wire
No wrong with that.
You see?
You can't kill him, man.
You see 2 roll wire give
And
me?
them losing.
Oh,
They're not doing it for you. So you
so
can't get
him give me a
suck your man up.
life, but again,
High five. Vote for Alec.
Yeah.
Hey.
You have a reason. You have a reason.
Vote for Alec again if you have an next vote for vote. You can't vote 2 times.
if they give me the chance.
You go to jail, you pussy hole.
If they give me the chance.
If I vote 2
And look
times.
I mean, you go
you
to
see the
jail
last
for.
money when me collect. Guess who give me the money in my hand?
Eh?
You
Boy, you not here.
You can't do it.
You can't do it.
Here,
You not enough to do it.
here. The last money when me collect in my hand. So,
You not
and the
enough.
big
can't
one
do, man.
himself, and the big one
You
himself,
go to jail for.
in my
You
hand.
not prison to your fuck, not
You think that
jail.
jail alone in there go?
That joke, man, vote 2 times.
Boy, no get caught.